Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about the abstract class and abstract method. So abstract class is the class which is not going to create any object, but if you want to create an object of that class, you first have to inherit that class. For example, I'm having a class name animal, and which is abstract because I use the abstract keyword here, and inside this class I used the abstract keyword before this method animal sound, so which means this method is also abstract. So in case you are going to use abstract method, that abstract method can be used only inside the abstract class, and this is the simple method which can be called. Okay, so if I want to access this method, or as you can see, this method is not defined, it is just initialized. In case of abstract method, you just initialize it inside the class, abstract class, and if you want to define it, you must define it outside. Where outside? When there's another class which is going to inherit it, that class can define that abstract method, right? So here my abstract class is animal and the abstract method is animal sound, and I'm going to inherit this class which is animal. So class pick is the uh, class which is going to inherit from this class, means it can use any method or any variable from here. So first, as you can see, that was the abstract method, so I'm going to define it here, and here you need not to write the abstract keyword because that abstract was used for the abstract class only. So now it is inherited, and now it is going to be defined inside the inherited class which is big. And now I'm going to write something. You can perform anything, write any code you want to be executed inside this method. And now inside the main function, I'm going to create the object of this class because I want to access what this method, and this method also, as this is the abstract class, so I cannot create the object of this class, but I can create the inherited class object. So pig can create an object. My pig is the object of this class, and new pig, this is how we create the object of any class. And through this object I'm going to access this abstract method, and when I'm going to write animal sound here, so it will get the access here. So because this is defined here, so the definition is accessed here, and simply this particular part will be printed. And my pig dot sleep means, again, as you know that this class is not having any object, so the object of this class can access this simple method also. Okay, so let's run this. It is building, it's gonna take time. Okay, so as you can see, first I uh, call this method which is abstract method, but it is defined here, so the pig says vv, so this part is printed. And then I call this sleep method also, so this sleep is going to print this part. Okay, so this is how you can define an abstract class and abstract method. And for abstract class you cannot create any object, and for abstract method you cannot define inside the same class, you must have to create one more class which is going to inherit this class, and then you can define this particular method.